Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 11, 2025, just yesterday. This paper introduces a multi-agent refinement system that adaptively routes a response through specialized reviewers for facts, personalization, and coherence, and it consistently beats single model and other multi-agent baselines on tough conversational datasets. The paper is titled Adaptive Multi-Agent Response Refinement in Conversational Systems. And as we'll see later, the adaptive coordination strategy drives notably stronger, more reliable conversations. Figure 1 illustrates why a single model stumbles, and how specialized agents fix different issues in a conversation. The left panel shows the base reply making a factual mistake and ignoring the user profile. The middle panel shows a single agent improving parts of the reply, which still leaves problems because one reviewer cannot balance all goals. The right panel shows coordinated specialists correcting facts and persona tone, guided by a planner agent that decides which expert to call and in what order. So, Figure 1 showed why specialization matters. Table 1 shows that the multi-agent refinement consistently beats all baselines across PersonaChat, INSCIT, and Focus. The overall score, a scale normalized average of coherence, groundedness, naturalness, and engagingness, climbs because the planner invokes only the most relevant experts. On knowledge-seeking dialogues, performance reaches about 73%. On persona-focused conversations, the system delivers about 62% while maintaining strong coherence and engagement. So Table 1 showed consistent gains. Figure 2 shows why the planner adapts agent usage to each dataset. The figure highlights that the system calls different specialists depending on the task, which matters because unnecessary checks add cost without improving quality. In the left panel, Focus leans on fact and persona agents in near equal share. The middle panel, PersonaChat, favors persona and coherence, since user alignment dominates. The right panel in CIT emphasizes the fact agents, while coherence remains substantial. So Table 5 shows that human ratings validate the gains and align reasonably with G-eval. This table presents human ratings on Focus and their correlation with G-eval, where correlation means how strongly two rankings move together. Mara achieves the best overall score at about 83%. It also leads in coherence with about 2.7. Groundedness reaches about 0.79. Engagingness is about 2.8. The correlation is strongest for engagingness at about 0.58, while naturalness lags at about 0.35. Alright, two takeaways stand out. Specialized agents for facts, persona, and coherence, coordinated by an adaptive planner, deliver clearly better conversations. And dynamic selection cuts wasted calls while improving quality, which means fewer burdens on users. The broader implication is scalable, tool-aware assistants that self-refine before replying. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.